Oh my god, hi. It's like 7:50 in the morning and I'm going swimming and it's raining outside. But I'm like really hyper because I love swimming or whatever, and Kelsey's right here.
No, I'm not. I'm not getting one.
Anyways, I'm going swimming. Got my shoe outside, looks like. Can I?
I'm going sitting, and yes, you can.
Look, outside. I'm going swimming, and it's seriously 7. But look outside. It's nice and wet. Oh yeah, Kelsey thinks I'm on crack because it's like 7:50 in the morning. Okay, 7:51 in the morning, and I'm going swimming, and I'm hyper, and I woke her up or whatever. But I'm just like, because I have to leave in 2 hours, and yeah, I'm so excited. She'll take a picture. I mean, not picture, but she'll like take a video of me outside going swimming and me screaming like a weirdo and me swimming into the freezing ice cold water, and it's like 10 degrees in there and it's raining plus. So yeah, I'll be cold, but yeah, I'll do it.